For more than 30 years, a driving force of metal forming innovation has grown, standing as strong as the trees in the surrounding heart of the serene Bavarian forests. A company where precise German engineering meets forward-thinking strategy. This is Nidec SYS. Founded in 1994, we have grown to become a European benchmark, delivering controls, complete automation systems, and related inline technologies for connector, medical, EV lamination, and motor core applications. We understand our customers' needs and offer comprehensive and customized solutions. We understand our industry processes and deliver the newest technologies to enabling metal formers to produce more. We understand our industry processes and deliver the newest technologies enabling metal formers to produce more. From high-speed stamping to servo-driven spindle presses and complete complementary automation systems, we work hand in hand to optimize your press room. Our superior quality in machinery repair and our system integrations are highly recognized. As part of the Nidec Press and Automation group of companies, SYS offers the experience and resources of the world's most respected metal forming brands, backed by a dedicated and highly responsive global customer service network. We have our expanded campus footprint as a symbol of commitment to our trade, our market and local manufacturing. Our promise to continue to challenge industry standards and to deliver metal forming equipment with reliability and precision. With each sunset on our Bavarian forest, we look to the future. With each sunrise, we see the opportunity to deepen our roots and expand our branches, true to our essence: innovation and precision technology. Together, we'll power tomorrow.